2020 since the pandemic starts. No work, no place to go. So we decided to travel what we live. Gusa Bunbun. We don't wait for memories to come. We make a camper or tiga for my family. They are so happy when it arrives. Tsaka, para makaiwas na din sa mga biglaang bagyo habang nagka-camping. Kagaya nito. Wasak! Sinikap ko na din, pati pick-up ko. Put a rooftop, tent, and truck by storage para lahat ng rigs ready to go. Madalas sa mga biyahe namin, wala talaga kaming destination. Pero, saan kami mabagford, silang ang mahalaga. Ligtas ang bawat isa at masaya. This is Art, Joshua, Drake, Azrael, Ariel, at ako, si AJ. We are the